Hello everyone. Some people ask me to do these videos and to explain what I've been doing with investments. Some of you know that I've got my own business, but besides my own business, I do also investments. I look for passive income, and I try to use the money, the cash I have on the side, cash I'm not going to need, cash I could have in a savings account with 2% yield a year, but I try to use it in a more profitable way. And what I've been doing is one of the things I've been doing between other investments is in the stock market. So I've been trying to take advantage, and I try to 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 get a passive income through the stock markets. I deal, and the way I deal is basically a swing trader. So basically, I look for something cheap in depending on on the situation. For instance, now we had the Brexit, so the stock market in Britain has been knocked down lately. So what I've been doing is I try to take advantage of this in businesses that where I believe they're going to have a really good return, going to have a really good comeback. Because a lot of people's taken money from the stock market in the last few years, especially in the British stock market. So I'm going to show you my account, full disclosure to start with. So I've got, and bear in mind, this is money I don't mind to lose. Okay, so if this money is invested now, I'm not going to need this money tomorrow or next year. This is money I have spare for investment. Consider this a business. I'm investing this money, is not my savings. Okay, this is completely different. It's money I'm willing to lose, like in any other business. So I put into this account £5,500. I can show you the payments I did into this account, so you don't think, oh, you got this money because you transferred from your bank account. No, I put into this account a total of £5,500. I've got in securities at the moment 4,870. I've got available to invest £1,254, and my total value now is £6,125. So when did I start this? I started this in January. So I wanted to start a new project to show people where I can go if I'm going to lose, if I'm going to win, and I want to show you guys, update you guys into this account. So this is from the 1st of January 2019 to 31st of March 2019. So is start of this year. I wanted to start this project to show you guys what I've been doing, how I've been doing some money. Stocks, I've got Activision Blizzard. I'm going to keep this for a long time. I'm going to keep this one for years and years. This one, I bought this in February. I bought only 15. They just started going up. I've got Activision Blizzard. If you guys don't know, this is a video games company. So they do games for PCs, consoles, and this is one of the largest companies in the world in this industry. So they've been knocked out really hard in the last year, and they are doing a good recovery at the moment. This is Altria Group. Altria, they are the makers of Marlboro cigarettes, basically, and the tobacco industry has been having real issues because of all legislation and all that kind of stuff. So for the last 2 years, they've been struggling a lot, dropping. And I saw in this company a great opportunity, because when people they start to get afraid from the economy, when things are uncertain, they start to hide, to invest their money in these safe stocks. So this is a stock that, besides the growth that is having now, is going to pay me dividends, and dividends are paid every 3 months, and this is a 6% yield per year. So I'm going to have I'm going to get 6% on my investment throughout the year, even if it doesn't go up over a year. But this is performing really good. This was bought in January, and since then, 1.5 months, I'm up 218 pounds with just well, it's 15% return before the yield, so there's more the yield to come. So this is Afria. Afria, I bought a little bit too late. When I bought it, they dropped a bit. This is a Canadian marijuana company, so this is a new industry that was legalized last year. So I've done already a lot of trading. I took a lot of money already. I made a lot of money already with the marijuana industry already, which I can show you guys later on. But this account I'm going to show you guys from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to keep you updated on the trades I do and what I'm going to do in here. EasyJet. If you live in UK, you know what EasyJet is. This is a flight operator, a low-cost flight operator. So this is one of those industries that got really beaten by Brexit, you know, because if we had a no deal situation, these operators, they would be in real trouble, you know, until new laws, new legislation, borders and everything comes up and, you know, gets sorted out. So this stock has been beaten for the last 2 years, you know. So this is a great opportunity in here because, in my opinion, there's not going to be a no deal Brexit. If there is, it might go down, but this is a very new position that I'm just starting now with a very low level. So I've got more money to put into this, and I'm going to put more money into this. This has a week so far. You know, I invested a week ago on this company. It's already 3.10%, 21 pounds up. And the last one is IG Group Holdings. This is a financial company. What they do basically is brokerage. So they offer you financial tools. For instance, this account I have in here, for stocks, I could have them with IG. I've got this with my bank, which is a personal option. You would get it's a lot easier for me to do it with my bank. Transfers are a lot easier, so that's my option. But this one, IG, is for me the best broker around. So I've got a very small position. This is my smallest position because I need to see it go up before I start buying more. I think it's in a really good level. But any sort of bad news, it can go down 10% easily. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys let me know in the comments if this is something you guys like to be informed about investments. Then I can talk more about different investments, cryptocurrencies, house investment, real estate investment, all sorts of investment, and even business. I can talk a little bit about this. You guys let me know if you're interested or not. If you're interested, I'll keep doing the videos. If not, this is just an experiment anyways. All right then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.